Digital signage can hugely benefit your manufacturing business. But how exactly? And what can you display? First of all, you can display training videos for your employees. Ensure they are always kept up to date with the latest requirements. And keep everyone safe with warning signs and safety protocols around your facility. Display data metrics and targets for employees to boost productivity and keep them on track. Advertise corporate meetings and events to increase interactivity in these activities, or live stream them to all your facilities to unite the whole workforce. Digital signage is a great way to display wayfinding information, which will be essential for new employees and visitors. Display a facility map where you can find each department. Also use your signs to show the nearest fire exits to keep everyone safe and aware of where to go in case of an emergency. Show us what you've done with your digital signs to be featured on our social media.